Hello, young scholars. Welcome to our amazing English class with Miss Rebecca. Today, we'll be talking about English articles. The English articles.
Articles are words that are used before nouns. Articles are words that are used before nouns. We have three articles in English language and they are article a, and the. The three English articles are divided into two major types, which are the indefinite articles and the definite articles. We have the indefinite articles and the definite articles as the two major types of articles. Article a and are referred to as indefinite articles. The article a is used before consonant sounds. For example, book. We don't say an book, but rather we say a book, a book. While article am is used before vowel sounds. For example, apple. We don't say a apple, but rather we say an apple. Looking at more examples with indefinite articles, I have the article a here, a pencil, a ball. And for the article an, I have an umbrella, an elephant. The article the, is referred to as definite article and it is used for specific things. For example, the sun, the moon, the table. Okay, let's test our knowledge of the articles that we have just learned. Say the correct article for each object. I have here orange, moon, chair. Alright, the correct article for orange is an orange. And for moon, it will be article D, the moon. And for chair, it will be article a chair. I hope you have been able to learn one or two things from today's class. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.